Hi, my name is Ann Marie. I'm the founder and creator of Seienstyle. I am a loctician and I've been specialized in working with dreadlocks for over 26 years now. I hope I'm not getting older, but it's a lot of years. So welcome to either you're on my website or you're under this YouTube video. If you're on YouTube, I will have put links down below with information, how you can find me and my website, etc. I decided to create this video so that you can actually get to know me a little bit more and get an understanding of who I am and if I am the right fit for you to help you with your hair. So I've been working with dreadlocks for over 26 years and I have done immense training in dreadlocks. I've been traveling all over the world to learn the skill sets that I have today. And I have done loads and loads and loads of clients, different types of hair, people with different types of textures, and I have a vast knowledge of what techniques to use in order to create different outcomes. The Seienstyle process is a process that I created. And to be frank, I created it for myself and for my clients, but first and foremost for myself. Because when I had been working for some years as a loctician, I didn't really question the way that I was working. I was just working with the techniques that I was taught. With time, I ended up having problems in my body. And I was not really happy with the result that I was giving my clients either. But the pain in my body actually made me start to question, can I go on with working with this in general, or do I have to quit? So I started to explore, how can I work in a different way? How can I work so I don't have issues in the different parts of my body that I had issues with at that time? And I started to explore and I started to test and I started to work. And I was starting to doing these techniques and changes on my clients. And I was actually baffled with the results when my clients came back, because I actually saw when I created a head of dreadlocks with extensions, when a client came back after 3 months, their dreadlocks actually looked as mature as they did normally a year after. And I saw that my clients had less pain when I was working, creating their dreadlocks, or when I was maintaining their dreadlocks as well. And I actually saw not either did the dreadlocks mature faster, but the work that I actually did lasted longer. And throughout my journey, I actually just ended up with a new technique. And this is what I created and that I call today the Seienstyle process. So I have 2 versions of the techniques, and then I have some advanced things that I actually do when people have certain problems with their dreadlocks. But the basics are that I have a way of backcombing the hair, and then it's a crochet technique. You can either have a string tied at the root for the hair to hold together. If you are a person that has issues with pain in the scalp or feeling tension on the scalp when someone is working on your head, I highly recommend the string, because it's like someone is holding the hair at the root, and it will actually help the dreadlocks when they grow out to be more round. It will help them to mature faster, and it will help them to hold on to, if you have a lot of flicky, tiny hairs, that will help with that. Some people don't like that really tight look, then you can go for not using the string. But the string is really there with a purpose of actually speeding up the maturing process of your dreadlock. So it really helps to have it there. Then I have a bunch of advanced stuff that I do if you have certain problems with your dreadlocks that you need a solution to. But if you have a certain problem with your dreadlocks, just send me an email, send me a DM, send me a comment, and we can discuss that, and I can actually go into detail and tell you how I can actually help you fix those problems. So a little bit about me. I am a trained hairdresser. Nowadays, I offer my dreadlock services. I do natural brushable hair extensions. I do braiding dreadlocks, etc. I'm also a trained Reiki healer, and I also host meditation and breathwork classes. So I do a little bit of different things. You can actually get Reiki healing while you are getting your hair done as well. If you want to know more about that, just send me a message and ask me how it works, etc. While I'm not working, I enjoy right now my life in my base in Provence, France. I'm building a whole new garden. I'm planting flowers, vegetables, really trying to live off the land as much as possible, and really bringing back the garden to life, because it's been a mess. No one has been taking care of it for 20 years, so we keep on finding things. I love being out in nature. I love hiking. So if you come and get your hair done in Provence, France, make sure to make room so that I can show you around. Maybe take a hike, go in one of the amazing markets that you can find almost all year round close to where I'm situated. I also work in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm in Stockholm, Sweden every 3 months, helping all my clients with their hair as well. And this year I'm opening up that I want to travel more. So if you are a person that wants to get their hair done by me, and maybe you know a few other people that wants to get their hair done, or maybe you want to take an in-person class, maybe I can come to you and help you out depending on where you are and the situation with everything. So don't hesitate to reach out to me and let me know that, hey, I'm interested for you to come here, or maybe you want to come to Provence, France, or Stockholm, Sweden while I'm there working, depending on how the schedule looks, etc. Getting dreadlocks can be a big deal for some of you. Maybe you feel, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe you've been thinking about this for many years, and I get that. Because still, frankly, to this day, I've been doing this work for 26 years. I thought somehow that people's ideas about dreadlocks would open up more. I actually thought that the judgments that people have or the misconceptions about dreadlocks would change. But sadly, there is some people that still to this day have a lot of ideas for what dreadlock stands for, what it means to them, etc. And the list goes on and on and on and on and on. And maybe you've been thinking about getting your hair done for many, many years. And I understand that. I understand that there is a big thing. But I truly believe if you have the calling within you, if you really feel that, yes, this is my dream, yes, this is something that I really, really want to do for myself, then, and maybe you don't have anyone to talk to, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Before I take on a new client, I always recommend that you book a video call with me so that we can chat. I want to warn you that booking the call, I take a deposit, and note it is a deposit of 25 euros to book a consultation call with me. As soon as you show up to the call, the money will be transferred back to you. You will get your money back. But I take a deposit just to make sure that I'm not just sitting there waiting for people, because that has happened over the years. So I would love to help you. I would love to chat with you. So book the call. Remember, the 25 euros is just a deposit. You will get the money back as soon as you show up to the call. If you need to reschedule or cancel, then you will also get your money back. But please let me know that you cannot show up to the call. If you ghost me, that's the only time where I actually keep the money, so that you are aware of that. And I want to be there for you. I want to help you with your dream and to see, and I want you to know if I am the right fit for you, because I understand that not everyone loves the work that I do. Not everyone thinks that I'm a cool person. And for me, it is important that you feel comfortable with me, that you feel that you have the trust that I can actually create the hair that you always dreamed of. The easiest way is for us to just have a conversation together, make a plan on what to do with your hair, etc. So just book a consultation with me and we can talk about how and in what way your dream hair can become possible for you. If you have any questions around my work, if you have any questions about maybe placing an order, having dreadlocks sent to you, just reach out to me. You have every information in the information down below. And I'm looking forward to hear from you. And I am looking forward to see what your dream hair is. Bye for now.